Working without a quality welding helmet can lead to eye strain, poor accuracy, and even long-term vision problems. Many helmets simply don't provide the clarity or protection you need, and that's why choosing the right one can make a big difference, improving safety, comfort, and overall work performance from the very start. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best welding helmets available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these helmets, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the BESTCLUB welding helmet, a great choice if you want reliable protection, comfort, and stability during long welding sessions. This model is designed to give you confidence while working, thanks to its lightweight build and extended coverage that helps you stay comfortable even after hours on the job. One of its biggest advantages is the extended protection design, which covers not only your face but also part of your neck. This helps shield you from sparks, heat, and harmful radiation, allowing you to work more safely and focus on your task without constant exposure concerns. For visibility, it features true color technology with a clear viewing area of about 3.6 by 1.7 inches. This improved clarity makes it easier to see the arc and the material from different angles, helping you work with better accuracy while also reducing eye strain over time. The helmet includes a fast auto-darkening filter that reacts almost instantly when the arc starts, preventing glare and protecting your vision at all times. It also offers an adjustable shade range from 4 to 13, making it suitable for MIG, TIG, and stick welding, depending on the job. To adapt to different lighting conditions, it comes with sensitivity and delay adjustments, allowing the lens response to match your work environment. The light state at shade level 4 makes it easy to position your work and inspect results without removing the helmet. Power is handled through a solar-assisted system with an internal battery, helping the unit stay ready while extending its lifespan with very little maintenance. Weighing about 1.1 pounds and equipped with an adjustable headgear system, it distributes weight evenly to reduce pressure on your head and neck. Its durable construction and simple operation make it a practical and dependable option for both beginners and regular users. Next up, we have the YESWELDER welding helmet, a solid option designed to deliver clear visibility, less eye strain, and long-lasting comfort for precise work during extended welding sessions. This model focuses on helping you stay productive without the discomfort that often comes after hours of exposure to intense light. One of its standout features is the blue light blocking lens, which filters out the most aggressive high-energy light produced during welding. This helps reduce visual fatigue and allows you to work longer without that heavy, tired feeling in your eyes. It also features true color technology with professional optical clarity and a viewing area of about 3.6 by 1.7 inches. This improved visibility makes it easier to see the weld pool and fine material details, helping you work with better precision and fewer mistakes. For safety, the auto-darkening system reacts almost instantly the moment the arc is detected, protecting your eyes without delay. The helmet also includes adjustable sensitivity and delay settings, along with a shade range from 3.5 to 13, making it suitable for tie, MIG, stick welding, and grinding tasks. Power comes from a solar-assisted system combined with a replaceable lithium battery, allowing the unit to maintain stable performance while extending its service life over time. Comfort is another key advantage. Its lightweight, balanced design and adjustable headgear distribute weight evenly, reducing pressure on your head and neck so long, workdays feel much easier. To complete the package, this helmet meets ANSI and CSA safety standards, features durable construction, and offers simple controls. It's a reliable choice for beginners and experienced welders who need consistent protection and dependable performance every day. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the ARCCAPTAIN welding helmet, a strong and reliable option built for clear vision, long-term durability, and demanding professional use. It's designed for welders who need consistent performance and protection during daily work. This model features a 12-in-1 intelligent filter that permanently blocks harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiation up to DIN 16. That means your eyes stay protected at all times, even before the auto-darkening function activates. Its auto-darkening system, powered by 4 arc sensors, reacts almost instantly when the arc appears. This fast response helps prevent flashes and keeps your vision safe during TIG, MIG, and stick welding. It also includes a shade range from 4 to 13, along with adjustable sensitivity and delay settings, so you can easily adapt it to different lighting conditions and work environments. Visibility is another strong point. The helmet uses true color technology with high optical clarity and a viewing area of about 3.9 by 1.7 inches. This allows you to see more natural colors and fine details, giving you better control over your work while reducing eye strain during long sessions. Power comes from a hybrid system that combines solar energy with a replaceable lithium battery. This setup provides stable performance and can extend operating life by up to 200%, helping reduce maintenance and downtime. Durability is built into the design. Made from high-strength materials, it resists impact, heat, and everyday wear without sacrificing flexibility or comfort. Weighing about 1 pound, the lightweight structure includes an adjustable headgear with breathable padding, offering a secure fit and less pressure on the head and neck. It's also compatible with magnifying lenses, making it a practical choice for detailed and continuous professional work. Now let's move on to the TOOLIOM welding helmet, a well-balanced option designed to deliver clear visibility, fast response, and lightweight comfort for both workshop projects and professional tasks. This helmet provides full face protection against sparks, radiation, and the intense brightness of the welding arc. It meets ANSI safety standards, giving you confidence whether you're working in a shop, garage, or on job sites. Its auto-darkening filter reacts almost instantly when the arc appears, helping prevent glare and protecting your eyes right from the start. It also features 2 arc sensors, along with adjustable sensitivity and delay controls, allowing the helmet to adapt to different lighting conditions and welding environments. One of its standout features is the true color technology, which improves optical clarity and reduces the traditional green tint. With a viewing area of about 3.6 by 1.7 inches, you can see more natural colors and finer details. This helps you maintain better control over your weld and reduces eye strain during long work sessions. For added versatility, the helmet offers an adjustable shade range from 4 to 13, making it suitable for ties, meg, and stick welding. It also includes a grind mode, keeping the lens clear when preparing surfaces or making adjustments without removing the helmet. Power comes from a hybrid system that combines solar energy with a replaceable lithium battery, ensuring stable performance and longer service life. A low battery warning helps prevent unexpected interruptions while working. Comfort is another strong point. Weighing about 1.15 pounds, it features an adjustable headgear that distributes weight evenly, reducing pressure on the head and neck. The flame-style exterior adds personality, and its compatibility with magnifying lenses makes it a practical choice for detailed and precision work. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, the TRQWH welding helmet stands out as a versatile choice designed to improve visibility and comfort, especially when working in low-light environments or demanding conditions. This model features an auto-darkening filter with 2 arc sensors that reacts almost instantly when welding begins. It blocks up to 99% of harmful light, helping protect your eyes and allowing you to work with greater confidence and safety throughout the job. One of its most useful features is the true color technology, which reduces the typical green tint found in many helmets. This provides a more natural view of the material and the weld puddle, making it easier to see details. The improved clarity helps increase accuracy and also reduces eye fatigue during long work sessions. To make things even more practical, it includes a built-in LED light on the top, rechargeable through a USB connection. This light is perfect for dark areas or tight spaces, allowing you to clearly see your workspace before and after welding, improving both comfort and efficiency. Power comes from a hybrid system that combines solar energy with a replaceable lithium battery. This setup ensures stable performance, extends the helmet's lifespan, and reduces the need for frequent maintenance, keeping it ready whenever you need it. The helmet also offers adjustable sensitivity and delay controls, so you can fine-tune how the lens responds based on different light levels and working conditions, preventing sudden brightness changes that could strain your eyes. Comfort is another highlight. Its ultra-lightweight ergonomic design includes angle adjustment and an adjustable headband. The breathable padding absorbs sweat and allows you to work for hours without discomfort, while the durable shell resists impact and heat, making it suitable for MIG, TIG, stick welding, plasma cutting, and grinding. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect welding helmet or if there's another welding helmet you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.